Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Before starting the topic, I would like to discuss that I have created a Telegram group, so you must join it. We will discuss some strategies related to the exam, and you can also clear your doubts and queries, and the notes of the lecture will also be provided there. And the link of Telegram channel is shared in the description box, so please go and join it. So today let's start mirror reflection. Now we have two axes, that is x and y. First we will see mirror reflection about x-axis. Okay, mirror reflection about x-axis. This is our x-axis. If this is the object, its reflection about x-axis will be placed here. Okay, so what will be the matrix? We will consider a point P having the coordinates xy. This is x and this is y. Its reflection about x-axis. The point will lie somewhere here. This is x dash, this is y dash. Okay, so here y will be negative y and x will be same. So a new coordinate x dash will be is equals to x and y dash will be equals to minus y. So by completing the variables which are absent here, x dash will become x plus 0y and y dash will become 0x plus minus y. Substituting this value in the matrix, x dash y dash is equals to 1 0 0 minus 1 and x y. तो ये है मैट्रिक. This is the matrix for the reflection about x-axis. अब हम देखेंगे mirror reflection about y-axis. Reflection about. एग्जाम के लिए ये प्रूफ, ये डायग्राम्स रिमेंबर करने की इतनी नीड नहीं है. यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर द मैट्रिक्स. ओके, रिफ्लेक्शन अबाउट y axis. This is the point P. It's having the coordinate xy. Its reflection about y axis will be P dash, that is x dash y dash. This is x, this is y. This will be y and this will be minus x. So x dash will be minus x and y dash will be is equals to y. And completing the variables which are absent, x dash will be minus x plus 0y and y dash will be plus 0x. Substituting the values in the matrix, x dash y dash is equals to minus 1 0 and 0 1. This is x coordinate, this is y, x y. Okay, so this is the matrix for reflection about y axis. Now sometimes the question is such that reflection about both the axes. Reflection about both the axes means this is our object. First it is reflected about y-axis and then it is reflected about x-axis, or you can first reflect it about x-axis and then you reflect it by y-axis. So we'll first reflect it by y-axis and then by x-axis. So this is a point P xy. After reflection about y-axis, P dash is x dash y dash. After reflection about x-axis, P double dash is x double dash y double dash. Okay, so first reflection about y-axis, x dash will be minus x, y dash will be same as y. Then reflection about x-axis, the point x double dash will be equal to x dash and the point y double dash will be equals to minus of y dash. Wait, I'll show you. X dash, that is reflection about y-axis, will be equals to minus x and y dash will be equals to y. And again, after reflection about x-axis, x double dash, y double dash. So reflection about x-axis, x dash will be equals to x double dash will be equal to x, that is minus x, and y double dash will be equals to minus of y. So these are our final coordinates. So x double dash is minus x plus 0y and y double dash is 0x minus of y. Okay, minus x and minus y. Now what will be our matrix? X double dash y double dash is equals to minus 1 0 0 minus 1 x and y. So this is the formula for reflection about both the axes. Now let's write these three formulas one side and then we'll solve the question. First, reflection about x-axis. Guys, just write with me and just learn the formula in the class itself. X dash y dash is equals to 1 0 0 minus 1 x y. Second is reflection about y-axis. X dash y dash is equals to minus 1 0 0 1 x y. This is the identity matrix of 2 by 2, just the difference of sign. And third is reflection about both the axes. X dash y dash minus 1 0 0 minus 1 x y. So these three are the basic formulas of mirror reflection about x-axis, mirror reflection about y-axis, and mirror reflection about both the axes. Now let's solve an example. Okay. Consider a point 2, 3, which is reflected from x-axis. So what's the new point after reflection? This is point 2 3, which is reflected from x-axis, means it is placed here. 2 3, it is reflected from x-axis, it will be here. So you can directly tell that here y will be negative, that is new point. For new point y will be minus 3 and x will be same. Okay, this is simple. You can directly tell the answer by the diagram, that y will be negative, x will be same. But let's solve it by the matrix. Mirror reflection about x-axis, x dash y dash is equals to 1 0 0 minus 1 xy, 1 0 0 minus 1. The value of x and y coordinate is 2 and 3. Again, matrix multiplication. Guys, there is multiple times where you have to do the matrix multiplication. So if any of the student doesn't know how to do matrix multiplication, can please comment down, because it's very important. So 2 minus 3. This is how the matrix is multiplied, and this is x dash y dash. So a new point is 2 minus 3. You can check it here. Here also we just told in a second that the new point will be 2 minus 3. And also by the matrix we know that the point is 2 minus 3. So in competitive exam like UGC NET, if the question comes, you can directly write the answer 2 minus 3. And if you remember the matrix, that's also good. Okay guys. So this is all about mirror reflection about x-axis, y-axis and both the axes. And next video we'll see about shearing, what is shearing, then shearing about x-axis, y-axis, both the axes. And okay then, bye bye.